Welcome back to another recipe. Today we're going to be preparing keto cheesecake. Let's get started. The ingredients needed for today's recipe are 1 1/4 cup of almond flour, 2.5 tablespoons of butter, 1 tablespoon of allulose, which is a keto sweetener. For the cream, we're going to be needing 8 ounces of cream cheese, a 1/4 cup of sour cream, 1/4 cup of sweetener, which is allulose, a 1/4 cup of heavy whipping cream, and 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla extract. We're going to start off with the crust, which we'll be needing 1 1/4 cup of almond flour, 1 tablespoon of allulose, which is a keto sweetener. Now we're going to give it a really good mix. Now add 2.5 tablespoons of melted butter, and give it a really good mix. Now we're going to evenly spread out the crust. Now bake the crust for 8 minutes on 350 degrees. To start it off, we're going to add 8 ounces of cream cheese in a mixing bowl. With a hand beater, we're going to beat it well. Now we're going to add 1/4 cup of allulose, which is our keto sweetener. You can also use stevia. Add 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Now add 1/4 cup of sour cream. After the crust is done baking, we're going to now pour the cream cheese mixture on top. Refrigerate the cheesecake for about an hour.